Oh, I didn't see you there. What's up, guys? So I'm in my Vivosun 5x5 grow tent, and you could see I started majority of my plants indoor because I have a short growing season. But in today's video, I'll be going out to the backyard to show the garden. I'm gonna be doing a little bit of cleaning up in the back there. So you'll get to see where I'm gonna be putting all these plants this year. But if you enjoy the content, remember to drop a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell and hit all so you can see the future updates when my video comes out. And I'm gonna go into the backyard. This was the backyard in 2021 when I started. So I'm out in the backyard. I'm gonna start doing some cleanup today. I have my rake and stuff over there. Bunch of poop on the grass. So I'm just gonna slowly go through and start cleaning up. Get rid of all these dead plants in the garden. I got a little bit of a bad news. I was gone this week. I was actually gone for 5 days, so I have an update to show about what happened to the plants in the greenhouse. It's pretty sad. But yeah, I'm just out in the back. I'm gonna clean up and slowly go from there. I like to start from the front of the garden, and I'm just using my hands to remove the plants from the previous year. So I just went and picked up a few stuff in town today. I just picked up a new tiller. It was on sale. Got some corn, black oil, sunflower seed, duck food. I got my peanuts for the chipmunks and just some straw. And I'm gonna go back in the back here. I'm still doing some cleanup. I raked out all the hay that was in their coop. Huh, one of them laid their egg outs. Huh, hold on, I wonder if that chicken's sleeping. That kind of looks weird. Something is definitely wrong with this chicken. Let's go. Oh, she's hurt. Okay, I'm gonna put away the camera here. Oh yeah. I'm drinking some water. So I have the garden cleaned up a bit. But as I was cleaning it up, I'm thinking about trying to raise it up a bit. It's not gonna be the most perfect, but thinking of, yeah, raising it a bit so I could add more soil to it over time. And really cleaning it up this year. I had some spare wood and 2x4s that I had collected throughout the year. I have some over here. You know, the backyard's a mess right now, but it's an ongoing cleanup process. So I'll probably use some of this to try and build it up, stack it up a bit more. Yeah, started using the tiller to dig up some of the soil, and I put an extra set of frames around the garden to kind of raise it up a bit. And I'm over here now cleaning up. I put this board here. Just put some extra boards to raise it up a bit. It's not perfect, but it does the job. So I'm gonna continue cleaning up. Oh, you found one. That's one of the chipmunks. One of Alviana's babies. And this is in the back part of the garden before I start to clean it up. Some of last year's harvest, so I have to clean up this patch, and over here I have garlic under here, so I can't mess with this side. So hopefully it grows. I planted it in the fall. That would be my first time growing garlic while planting it in the fall, so I'm curious to see how it turns out. And my strawberry plant that was here, you can see it took all the way through, so I don't think I'm gonna mess up this part here, because I don't mind if it grows through the garden and goes all the way back, so I might leave this section. Let me head back to the front. And here you can see it's coming along perfect. The tiller definitely made it way easier this year. One of the chipmunks. But if you enjoy the content, remember to drop a like on the video. And most of this stuff I just found or collected and slowly just built the garden over time. As I kind of seen the vision, you can see it stacked up off the ground there. That's how the garden looked when I started out. It was just all sand, and I just made a little square garden in the yard and then started building onto it as time went on. And this was all sand below here before. So I'd say it's coming along pretty good. Just work with what you have for now. Okay, so I'm back in the garden. I'm just giving a last little update there. I cleaned it up big time. I put a few more boards on the side so I could raise it up a bit. So I'm gonna slowly go through this week and section it off. Let me go under here. You can see I have some, like I said, plants I had started from the fall. They're slowly starting to come up. These are just some flowers. I think they're tulips, if I'm not mistaken. Cover that back up. I have this one cleared out now. So that's the front half of the garden. And now I'm going to the back. You can see I cleared up over that side where I had the corn back here from the previous season. Something walked through the backyard the other night. Well, there's been a wolf that came here the other night and a bear. But apart from that, these are my garlics. They're coming up slowly. And that's a full view from the back. So yeah, took a couple days to clean up, but finally there. See, my chipmunk is coming back. Decided he's gonna sit there and eat. That one's a male. You can see I always have a few treats in my pocket. I could see the next one coming over here. Yeah. But if you enjoy content like this and you want to see the update, remember to drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell.